If you want to build a Firefox extension, even if you've never done it before, this tutorial will walk you through the easiest way to get started using Chatgpt and Firefox's built-in temporary add-on testing feature. By the end, you'll have a working Hello World extension that you can load, test, and verify right inside Firefox. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step software tutorials. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. Once Firefox is open, go to Chatgpt. You can use the free version for this method, because the goal here is simply to have Chatgpt generate the basic extension files for us. This saves time and gives you a clean starting point, especially if you're new to extension development. Now in the chat box, paste this prompt exactly, or as close to it as possible. Act as a Firefox extension developer. Create a basic Hello World Firefox extension using manifest v3. I need 3 files: manifest.json, popup.html, and popup.js. When I click the extension icon, it should show a small window saying Hello World and include a button that changes the pop-up background color. The reason this prompt works so well is because it gives Chatgpt a clear role, a clear goal, and very specific file requirements. The more specific you are, the better the generated code will be. If you want more control later, you can also add details like file permissions, icon sizes, or pop-up styling, but for now, this is enough to create a simple starter extension. After you send the prompt, Chatgpt should generate the extension code for you. Take a moment to check that it includes all 3 files: manifest.json, popup.html, and popup.js. If those files are there and the code looks right, type this next prompt: give me the files in a zip file. Once Chatgpt prepares the zip, download it to your computer. After the download finishes, open your Downloads folder and extract the zip file. You should now have a folder containing the extension files. This step is important because Firefox needs the actual folder contents when loading a temporary extension, not just the compressed zip. Now it's time to test the extension in Firefox. Click the address bar, type About Debugging and press Enter. This opens Firefox's developer debugging page, which is where you can load temporary extensions without publishing them. On the left-hand side, click This Firefox, then click Load Temporary Add-on. A file picker will appear. Browse to the folder where you extracted your extension files. Select the manifest.json file and click Open. Firefox will now load the extension as a temporary add-on. If everything is set up correctly, you should see it appear in the Temporary Extensions section. At this point, you can test the extension by clicking its icon and checking whether the pop-up opens correctly. Make sure the Hello World message appears and that the button works as expected, including changing the pop-up background color. This is a great way to verify your buttons, scripts, icons, permissions, and other features before you move on to a full build. If something does not work, go back and check the code in the 3 files. Most issues come from a missing quote, a typo in the manifest, or a file saved in the wrong folder. That's why testing with a temporary add-on first is such a useful step. It helps you catch mistakes early before you ever package or publish the extension. Once your extension is loading properly, you can keep improving it by adding more buttons, more actions, custom styles, or even storage features. But for now, you've successfully created and loaded a basic Firefox extension using Chatgpt and Firefox debugging tools. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.